So what I've done is I've gone to Google Classroom and I've selected the appropriate link. Because this was a practice one that I'm working with, I've selected one of the practice ones and I'm looking at wall sit times. I'm going to compare wall sit times for females and males because I wonder if males tend to be able to hold the wall sit longer than females for students in Year 11 at Ormiston Senior College in 2018. That's my question. Okay, the first thing I need to do with the data is I need to take a sample. If you have a look at it, there's a lot of data. There is 186 students' data entered here, but the instructions say take just a sample. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go sample and more. I'm going to go sample. And I'm going to go simple random, but I actually want it to be by gender because I want, say, 30, 40 males, 40 females. So I'm actually going to use 40. It says take a sample of between 20 and 40. I'm going to use 40. So I'm going to get 40 males, 40 females. Simple random, under gender, click that. I want 40 females, there's actually 89, and I want 40 males, there's actually 97. Now I'm going to tell it to take a sample. And when I scroll down, look, I've got a total of 80 students in my sample of males and females now, which is exactly what I wanted. So before you start the assessment, make sure that you know how to take a sample using NZ Grapher and Sample and More.